What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jabari0fficial, and I'm back at it with another reaction video for y'all. Now today, this video, we'll be reacting to your boy Duke Dennis. Damn, my fault, y'all. Now I'm pretty sure I know who Duke Dennis is. You feel me? He's part of the AMP squad with Kai and all them. But yeah, I ain't been making videos or nothing because I've been sick. And having I still have COVID actually, but it's starting to wear off on me now. I'm starting to feel a lot better. So now I'm back to making the videos, and I remember what I told y'all in that one video. You know what I'm saying? 2024 coming. You know what I'm saying? We approximately 4 days away. You feel me? So videos finna start rolling out. Try to get 2 videos a day. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna really try to stay consistent with that and stay on top of that. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Enough talking. Let's go.
Let's go out with a real banger, man. 100,000 likes in the first 24 hours. First day, 100,000 likes. Make sure y'all subscribe too, because we grinding for 3 million, and I know we gonna get it because we been going crazy. Listen, bro. Phoenix is probably my favorite city. I'm gonna tell you why. As soon as I landed, bro, I checked my Instagram. Every single person in Phoenix hit me up, it seemed like. All the women hit me up, niggas hit me up, telling me the food places, where to go, where to be, the places to be, and things of that nature. Hell, a nigga even, one nigga sent me 20 Arizona bitches. Like, bro, that nigga did not have to do that, bro. Like, you didn't have to do that.
It's a W man's right there. Nigga send him a list of bitches. That's crazy. You know, a lot of niggas be, you know, a lot of niggas, they be kind of greedy with the females, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Shit, if they not your girl, why not? You know what I'm saying? Slide something my way, you feel me? But yeah, that's a W man's right there. He's a random too. Nigga Duke probably don't even know who the nigga is. It's W right there. You know what I'm saying? We can have hatred for each other. We can have envy for each other, you feel me? If it's not your girl, you know what I'm saying? You can't hold them hostage. You can't keep them like that. You know what I'm saying? It's not your girl, so that's a W man right there.
Niggas sent me a list of goddamn 20, 30 Arizona hoes. Not that I'm gonna use it, cause I'm celibate and shit, but like, also, nigga, I'm on a motherfucking flight, and as soon as I landed, I got like a homie vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like, I got a homie vibe. I was putting on my hoodie while on the flight, and an old bald man beside me, he seen me struggling, he said, sir, he tapped me, he said, sir, do you need me to pull the hoodie down, cause it's rolled up in the back? I said, you know what, sir? Thank you very much. Like, I love you. I ain't tell him that, but I just want to think in my head because he was a nice fucking guy. I'm on modern, you know, some futuristic shit like modern block houses. I want to get, like, I might have my shit like white and black. Have me a black ghost parked out front. Have a motherfucking G-Wagon parked out front. A white G-Wagon. Because I already got the black ghost. I'm gonna have the Jeep in the garage. I'm just throwing light on.
That shit, that's everybody dream for real. Everybody trying to get a big ass crib with hella cars. I don't want that many cars. I just want like 2.
Oh,
at the most 2.
You've been here for 5 minutes.
Hey, I didn't do this though.
Oh.
I didn't do this. I'm innocent as fuck. Oh, I think I just pushed it out.
I gotta take me a trip out of town, bro. I done been to Jacksonville, Atlanta, and Colorado. That's about it. I'm trying to go take a trip to Cali. Cali expensive though. I can get my funds right.
You heard that?
Nah. This a Disney channel. You do.
These niggas is grown ass man and they fanboying. Come on, you can't do that, bro. Asking for a picture cool, but they going overboard, bro. I'm gonna be honest, I'll probably ask for a picture too, but I ain't gonna do it like that though. Like, that's crazy. Like, what? Just be yourself. What you mean, how do you get a female? Just be yourself. They don't fuck with you, they don't fuck with you.
Well, not niggas, but like y'all.
Look at her, she's trying to get fucked. Look at her.
Really? Why did you fuck up with something, man? Going to Old Town? What time did I go? 10? Yeah. Check, man. Make sure, man. Bro, when my phone ain't working, bro.
This nigga dude fucking around, bro. When they see that flip phone come out, they don't even want to talk to your ass no more.
Damn, why my shit ain't working?
Can't stay down when you low. You know, you gotta go. Feel me?
Y'all let me know which city or state I should go do a 24-hour video next. Willie saying Toronto, but I might take y'all word over Willie. Y'all let me know which city. Come to your city, man. If y'all live in Rhode Island, let me know. Cause I might choose that. Oh shit! You the only black person on the team.
Type shit. WW. That nigga been dick eating. This guy thinks the earth is flat. Nigga, shut up. Nigga, she just called the black community they. They? That's insane. I heard they come out on Sundays. That's insane. That's fucked up. Why we gotta come out on a certain day? Why can't it be every day? That's fucked up, y'all. Pay attention to detail. Pay attention to what the motherfucker's saying on the video, bro. Gotta pay attention. That's fucked up. And I like white girls, but that's fucked up. She said it again. I'm saying, like, we come out any day.
Phoenix, Arizona is cool, but unfortunately they lack color.
She's valid.
I
believe it.
She a little tall, but she valid.
Sorry.
What you about to do right now?
Just look how they react when he pull out the flip phone, bro. She staring at the camera hard. Look at her. She staring at the camera hard. She must see something she like. No. Look at her. Staring hard as hell, boy. She's staring the cameraman down crazy. This nigga funny as hell.
trying to simple shit. That motherfucker work though. Yeah. It's starting to come out, man. Huh?
I'll be in every day. What's it for? What's it for? What's the video?
We doing
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt the video.
Oh, now you good. So look, we from Rhode Island.
She fucking lying. If you didn't mean to interrupt the video, you know damn well you saw that big ass camera. She lying. And the fact that she just left her both of them left their boyfriend like that is crazy. That's insane. Ain't no fucking way, bro. At that point, you might as well just forget about her. Forget about both of them, nigga. They're gone. They're gone. Sorry to tell you. Let's see. Let's see what they do from here, though.
Okay. And we just came down to where we at Stockdale.
Yeah. Roll Tide.
Oh, yes, ma'am. You should get one. You look really good for one.
You look good in it. You look good.
She talking about the nigga look good and shit. She got a whole nigga.
But listen, let's do it like a survey on the ratio.
Oh, I got this. I'm ready. No, you gotta listen to what the survey is about. What's your survey about?
The survey is about like
I know, bro, embarrassed as hell. Look, he got to go over there and grab his girl, nigga. If you got to do that, nigga, you might as well just go ahead and go. Leave by yourself. You got to go over there and grab your girl from another nigga. That's bad, bro. She touching the jury and all.
right.
That is like kindness.
Right.
She munching, nigga. She munching. That's the shit I be talking about right here, bro. You feel me? You can't. She even with. Think about this. Damn, some of my eye. Think about this though. Both of them motherfuckers is with their boyfriend, and they still choosing. They still talking to the other niggas, touching their jewelry and shit. Just imagine what she doing when she not with you, bro. That shit's crazy. Like, that's dick eating at its finest, bro. That's insane. I ain't gonna lie. If I see my girl do this, I'm already knowing I'm doing something wrong. I'm gonna just go ahead and leave. I ain't even finna try to grab her. You know what? You got it. And she refused to leave. The nigga tried and she refused, my nigga. You gotta go. Sorry. That shit's embarrassing, bro. And it's sad. Be careful.
You're flinging.
Right. Okay.
You got your grill?
Yeah, yeah, I think y'all boyfriend just left y'all.
Yeah, they did. But they're good. No, we don't care about them.
We don't care about them is insane.
They're good.
Y'all listen to country music?
Is that what us black niggas do? Is that what we do to the, you feel me?
You will.
Thank you very much for doing my survey with you. This is Rhode Island News, Channel 17. Hey, that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, go ahead and wrap that part up. That nigga keep coming in the video. She cold right there.
They out here now.
That second one was bad. She was bad for sure.
And who's counting?
Yeah.
So much to explore at Total
My fault about the ass, bro. I can't even do nothing about it. I'm gonna get an ass blocker soon though.
Hey, you need to get the number. I ain't never get it.
Wait, what the fuck is this?
Wait. Is that a fucking Motorola?
She too bougie. She don't even know about the. She not used to that.
Yeah, nah, but what you trying to play my phone for though? You trying to play my phone like?
The only problem I would have with a flip phone is that I can't FaceTime the motherfucker. You feel me? So like if a girl pull out a flip phone on me,
What you mean? What?
if a girl pull out a flip phone on me, I'm gonna be kind of upset just because of the fact I can't FaceTime them when I'm not with them. You feel me? But other than that, it's not that bad. Like if you already don't fuck with FaceTime in the first place, then what the fuck you need an iPhone for? When it comes to shit like that, you feel me? Because you can still text, you can still call, you feel me? You can still do that shit. So what's the point? You know what I'm saying? But
What is this? Hold on, man. What the fuck you mean? What is this? isn't it?
I didn't say that.
Oh, yeah, I'm doing the vlog, my bad.
Damn, what?
You don't want to be in my vlog?
I'll be in the clip.
You'll be in my vlog?
No, I'm being on YouTube.
Yeah.
No, but bro, come here. Let me get you one.
Shit, hold on. Let me put you to the side real quick. You trying to talk real business.
He is. I'm for real. Listen, I wasn't all up in your mouth like that, but your ass. That's what I'm saying. So.
She saw the grills, nigga. Shit got serious. She like what she see.
Fuck no.
No, stop.
The fuck you got?
My bad, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to trap from so they ain't gonna track you? Go back.
Bro, ain't no way you
I'm
just
trying to
like,
be respectful.
yeah, just like type in the number and shit like that. Like, just type it in. Yeah, you typing it. You typing
Don't be
the.
taking pictures.
You typing the fuck out there. Yeah.
Call it. So I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it.
Lambo?
Call it. Bingo! Yeah.
It's the exclusive behind the scenes y'all don't even see.
What you saying? What the fuck is this thing even talking about?
Hey, my fault. Hey,
Let's do it. Hey, Davo, take this flick for ball. Get this motherfucker.
nigga, look like a cameraman.
Nah, I got it. Say what you say.
If they come out blurry, bro, I'm drunk.
You know what? I'm a
Look, she's still right there. Look where she at.
Oh.
She was ready to come back to the. She was ready to go back to the B&B, man.
That shit is insane, bro. This nigga right there hooping.
This nigga Duke in a whole different world, bro. That nigga in a whole different world. Nigga drunk as hell. You can just tell. Look at his eyes.
That's the thing, bro. You can't even hoop, my nigga. I've never hooped with Davo. Ever.
Love and basketball.
And the first thing this nigga do is take a bitch with the basketball. Hey, this shit nigga super bitches. This nigga know damn well he do not hoop ever. First thing he do is take the bitch with the basketball court.
You had too much of that tonight?
Hell yeah. You could just tell. Yeah.
How you doing? You doing all right? Let me get your number.
I got so much money.
Why are you looking at my phone like that?
TCL?
The brand is irrelevant.
How updated is this?
My shit works.
How updated? Like, what's new? How new is it? How do I put my number in this?
Start, yeah.
I want to be on the iPhone, not the flip phone.
She trying to be on the real shit. Nah, you gotta. Hey, look, you gotta get. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you probably get to the iPhone. You feel me? You gotta get through the first shit though. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get through the beginning stage. You know what I'm saying? You can't get right to that iPhone, baby. I'm sorry. I don't even know you like that. You feel me? If you really like that, then I'll let you in the iPhone. Type shit. She solid though. She cool. You know what I'm saying? She tall though. Wow, all these girls is tall. You feel me? I don't like tall girls. So I don't got a problem with them, but they just don't fit me. If that makes sense. I'm gonna need me a little short joint.
No. You not gonna be the one using it.
Shut up.
But I make plays with this motherfucker. You see that motherfucker ringing though?
You can't
Bro, why you?
Hold on, I'm gonna take one.
She kind of like fuck. I forgot her name.
There we go.
Vanessa Morgan, I think that's her name.
Okay, no, chill. What do you mean?
What is that?
Just do like. Come on, I'll leave you alone. You're like, you're like. Wait, why did you get engaged? How are you so
What the fuck is she doing?
I'm like, no.
She just doing shit.
I'm like, no, I'm going.
Okay, hold on. You do it. Do it.
Look, they don't even know what the fuck that shit is. She cold though. She bad.
Together. Ready? 1, 2,
No, I'm not doing that. The fuck is she doing? So if you don't watch it, why the fuck did you ask?
Cut this fucking camera off right now. They just fucking creeping me out.
Facts. Asking weird questions and shit. Just keep it smooth. Keep it simple. She on that nigga body crazy. Look at her.
I'm never gonna forget the nigga Dabo actually took a bitch outside to hoop when he came.
I did what? What do you say?
Is that LMS?
That nigga ain't shit. That nigga ain't shit.
The girls love a hooping ass nigga. You gotta have some hooping in your traits. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's dunking, shooting, you gotta have something, my nigga. You can't be a bot at basketball. See me, I got shooting in mine. You feel me? I'm a shooter.
It's cold as fuck out here though. You saw that shit? In front of the hoes, though.
Pardon the ass, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get that fixed for the next video. Don't worry. Guys too. That's the guys right there. Guys to have them.
Magic jersey on. A Magic jersey on. Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. We like experiment men with penis and shit, trying to find like beautiful black people like y'all. Thank you. Oh yeah. Where y'all going? Right. I mean, I'm going wherever the black people are. So I guess it be lit.
It's just like when it gets later, like around 12:30. That's when it's getting popular. No, it gets lit in here for real. But I don't know about a Sunday. I don't know. It's up to you.
You don't go out much? Homebody. Okay. Type shit. I think so.
I'm gonna be sad if I don't. Let me know.
As a matter of fact, let me just get your number or something. Wait. Damn.
What's your friend's name? They just over here not talking. What? This is crazy.
What is wrong? I'm just trying to take it back to simpler shit. What is wrong with this? Is something wrong with this? Something wrong with this for real? Like I'm bullshitting? So you wouldn't give me your number with this one right here? Like I got a bitch or something. I can respect that right there. Now I was just saying if you was gonna give it to me though. But you made a valid point. I might be high and like I'm in a relationship. They weren't fucking with me just. Yeah.
I don't even have my fucking phone.
Bro, how the fuck you got your phone?
So, you know, I had a cheat before I do anything.
You had to cheat? Smoke. Are you one of them people who can't eat until they smoke?
No, I can eat before I smoke.
Oh, that's some crackhead ass shit.
What table y'all finna go to right now?
Shit, everybody been saying pretty please and shit. That where you going?
Nah, I got my brother-in-law Drew got a table at Riot right now.
Yeah, you should have pulled up to my shit. We could have had a plan. Okay.
If you want to, I can let
I'm
you know.
invited to your shit?
You want to? Come right now.
I'm doing an experiment.
I know, but
I'm trying to find the black people. And I ain't doing a good job.
I mean, my boyfriend Roy, he's black.
He black? Hey, tell that nigga Roy he a real ass nigga. Well, shit. Hey, man, look, enjoy yourself and shit. Appreciate everything. Of course, yes, ma'am.
You
got big things coming. I got big things coming.
You got big, we got big
Big
things.
things coming. Hey.
Say less. Okay, you have a good night, man.
And she cool as hell though. She cool as hell.
I like how she included me in her manifestation. I fuck with it.
Came up, take a photo, and
And
forgot.
forgot. But that's a real nigga though. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, listen, man. Thank y'all for you know, helping me to open up my very first.
I like those deals. And I like those shows. I only like the stuff
No nigga. That's damn near sexual harassment, my nigga. I don't even like to suck toes, but I'll suck yours. You don't say that, bro. What the fuck? That's nasty, nigga. What the fuck? Not even that. That's nasty, bro. And then on top of that, the fact that you just said that, it's the principle. Why would you say some shit like that in public to a female? You don't even know her, bro. What if she felt uncomfortable? I could just tell she felt uncomfortable. Look at her face. Nigga talking about something right now. Like, nigga, no. That's not how you spit the game. Yeah, check this nigga. Nigga ain't got no home training, nigga. You damn near 30 years old and you talking like that?
Don't lick toes, but I'll lick yours. That's cap. Right. All of this because a nigga wanted to suck her toes. Hey, look, bro.
She seemed cool as hell too. Like, what the fuck?
This nigga just gave me some
She was just chilling in her own world and you say some weird shit like that?
bad wings, bro. Need some. Oh, what? Hey, look. And guess what? If this shit was ass, I'll let you know. This some good ass shit, bro.
GoDaddy is a partner that always puts you first. Start today at GoDaddy.com.
Energizer Ultimate Lithium, the #1 longest lasting AA battery.
Boy, doing shit like this will make a nigga real upset. It'll make a nigga real upset. Like, bro, who the fuck the nigga think he is? Who the fuck the nigga really think he is? I don't think I'm nobody. Hey, chill out.
I've been peeping shit all night.
My shit, I be like on some low key shit. Where y'all going? Oh, my bad. This none of my business. Well, shit. I'm probably just gonna head back to my B&B and shit. Chill out. Nice meeting y'all, man. Wherever y'all about to go, be safe.
You know they want to come. Look, see?
Come on, man.
You know they want to come. She invited herself.
Bro, mind my own business, bro. Cause guess what? That means a nigga has nothing to do with me. I don't talk to niggas. I don't fuck with niggas. I stay in my own circle, bro. I only talk to Davo, bro. Any nigga after that, bro, you don't know me.
Real shit, that's how it's gotta be, bro. I don't like talking to a whole bunch of niggas, bro. I don't do that. Stick to my small little group and that's it.
Fit through that door. I'm not coming outside.
Man, you gonna make it. Right.
She got a little jumper. Oh shit. Never mind. Never mind. First shorty was closer to hitting than her. Oh my god, where the hell is she going?
Why the fuck is y'all turning up to this right now? Y'all are tweaking. Y'all are tweaking, bro. There's no way I invited them home. So they can hit them. So they can listen.
Yeah, she. Look, let me show y'all real quick. No, I can't even see.
Bro, there's no way I invited them home. So they can hit them. So they can listen.
See shorty like this right here? That's my type. Slim, thick, nice little brown skin. I know she's short too. You know what I'm saying? A little decent height. Yeah, she valid. That's my type right there. She not ugly though. She not ugly. She's just not my type. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, shorty like this right here. Oh yeah, for sure. You know what I'm saying? I really don't have a type, but I have like preferences a little bit, if that makes sense. Like I prefer some things over others, if that makes sense. All girls are beautiful though. Don't get me wrong. All, you know what I'm saying? All grown ladies are beautiful, in their own way. They just not for me. Certain ones are just not for me, if that makes sense. But yeah, her right there, I'll wife that for sure. But let's finish the rest of this video. Got like 3 minutes left.
Me? That's fuck. That's fuck.
She valid too though. She Asian? Yeah, she valid for sure.
Put your number in it right now. Put your number in it right now. Fuck it. See, look.
How do you even use it though?
Look, put your number in, Bob.
Not you having a phone. Oh, okay.
Put your number in there. Put your number in there right now.
Call it. It's gonna work.
Call your shit.
It's gonna ring.
Yo. And what am I calling you on? Like what device am I on? I'm on an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I'm gonna FaceTime you later and shit.
Lying ass nigga. Nigga lying hard as hell.
Listen, make sure y'all subscribe. Hey, T. Hey. Subscribe. 3 million. 3 million.
How much you said? 3 million? 3 million. That nigga know he getting 3 views. That's 3 views.
What? They hating, ain't they? They must not know who that is, bro. They must not know who the hell that is.
Hey, y'all show these motherfuckers something like 3 views. We finna get 3 views in 0.5 milliseconds. Cause I love y'all. I love y'all. I adore y'all. You know what I'm saying?
That's that hating that. Like, they hating. Like, what? How you gonna be in my video and say I'm getting 3 views? What? Motherfucker, you should be saying I'm getting more than that. You're on the video. You only want 3 views. That's fucked up. I got her ass off the video. She bad, but she would have to get off the video for hating like that. But that's gonna be it for the video. It was a nice smooth little video, you feel me? I fucked with it. It was fun to watch. But like I said, in that middle of that video, when them 2 girls had left their boyfriends, bro. You know what I'm saying? We see it with our own 2 eyes now, bro. That shit crazy. Nigga, your girl will leave you on the spot, my nigga. Depending on who your girl is. Not all girls is like that, but hey. Hey. It's possible. It can happen to you, you feel me? So that's why you gotta do your part. Make sure you're doing what you gotta do. You feel me? Cause that right there was crazy. And y'all saw it. But I'm gonna leave it at that, man. That's gonna be it for the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And comment anything down below in the comment section on what y'all want to see next. You feel me? And I mean anything. Any ideas that come to y'all brain, just let me know. I need more suggestions anyway, bro. That's why that's one of the reasons why I haven't been posting. I don't really know what the fuck to post. But once I get my capture card, I'm gonna start posting a whole bunch of gaming videos that y'all gonna fuck with. Me playing Ultimate Team duos with my boy Deshaun. We be doing leagues and shit now. So I'm gonna start recording that more. You feel me? And streaming that more too. So be ready for that shit coming soon. But that's it. That's all I gotta say. We're gonna leave it on that note. I hope y'all have a great. I hope you had a great Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a Happy New Year's. You feel me? And with that being said, I'm out. See y'all in the next one.